Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to show you how to collaborate with brands on TikTok. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. To attract brand collaborations, make sure your TikTok profile is top-notch. Brands look for creators with a clear niche, consistent content, and engaged audience. Make sure your bio is polished, stick to your niche, and engage with your followers regularly to build a solid foundation. Next, look for brands that align with your content. Seek out companies that are active on TikTok and have a history of working with creators. These are the brands most likely to be open to collaboration. Once you have identified a brand, reach out professionally through a direct message or email. Make sure to highlight why a partnership makes sense. Share creative ideas on how you can promote their brand. Once you land a collaboration, focus on creating engaging and authentic content that aligns with both your style and brand's goals. That's how you can start collaborating with brands on TikTok. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.